Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a Filipino voice on 11 labs. So this is how you do it. First thing first, go to 11labs.io and click on the voices options here, option rather. Then click on collections. After clicking on collections, scroll down and choose a language of your choice. So you can choose Filipino. Once you choose the Filipino option, you would see 5 options here, and you can proceed to sample each voice till you get the one that speaks to you and your project.
Hi, ako si Kuya Pocholo, the voice master ng Pilipinas.
Hi, ako si Pinky, the dubbing princess. Isang talent.
So you can, once you've seen a voice that speaks to you, you can proceed to add
Love
them,
all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
proceed to add them to your project and use them for your project. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. Let me know your thoughts on it. Thank you and do have a good day.